Look at these high-rise structures. What makes construction of these structures possible? How safe is it for workers to work at such enormous heights? The answer to these questions is safe scaffolding. Welcome to this course on Basic Scaffolding Safety. This module on Basic Scaffolding Safety is divided into 4 units. They are Introduction, Glossary, Procedures, and Do's and Don'ts. It will take you approximately 1 hour to complete this module. Let us begin by knowing the types of scaffolds. Given here is a mismatched set of the various scaffolding types along with their descriptions. Your task is to match the terms with their correct definitions. Drag and drop the terms next to their descriptions. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Let us first define a scaffold. A scaffold is a temporarily provided structure which provides access or on which persons work or which is used to support materials, plant or equipment. Scaffolding accidents occur due to various reasons. The major reasons include collapse of scaffolding due to overloading, inadequate or improper bracing or tying, improper ground clearance before erecting scaffold, plumb-out scaffold, careless removal of vital equipment, not following the erection and dismantling procedure, and negligence during mandated periodical inspections. Fall of men and materials due to the absence of proper access, adequate platforms, guardrails and tow guards and mesh guards. Also, mishaps can happen sometimes when people take shortcut procedures. Is there any way to prevent these accidents? Yes, safe scaffolding practices can definitely check accidents. Let us next look at the different types of scaffolds. Click each type to know more. Freestanding scaffold is one which is not attached to any other structure. It is stable and does not overturn on its own account. If necessary, it is supported by rakers or guy ropes. Tower scaffold is one that has only 4 standards, one line supporting on the outside and the other on the inside. Independent tied scaffold having 2 lines of standard on its least dimension and more than 2 standards on its longitudinal sides. Birdcage scaffold is one that has more than 2 lines of standards, one each on its longitudinal and transverse sides. Putt log scaffold is one which has 1 line of standards to support the outside edge of the deck, with the inside edge being supported by the wall or the building being built. Cantilever scaffold is an independently tied scaffold cantilevering out from the building. It is used in cases where it is impracticable or undesirable to base the scaffold on the ground. Truss-out scaffold is an independently tied scaffold not erected from the ground. It is supported by a scaffold structure projecting from the face of a building or structure. Mobile scaffold is a movable scaffold based on or supported by caster wheels. Bracket or tank builder's scaffold is a scaffold supported by bracket straps welded to the tank wall. Upright brackets are hooked onto the straps. Underhung scaffold is a scaffold that is suspended by fixed-length wire ropes or cables. Or it is rigidly attached by scaffold tubes and load-bearing couplers to an overhead structure directly above, though not the outrigger beams. It has a work platform that cannot be raised or lowered. Let us now check our understanding of scaffolding. Given here is a mismatched set of the various scaffolding types along with their descriptions. Your task is to match the terms with their correct definitions. Drag and drop the terms next to their descriptions. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Any queries? Please contact us.